G'day! In today's video I've got an Acer Aspire A514-52K, also model number N19H2. And what I'm doing with this one is opening it up to replace the fan in here. This one's received a knock, and after that the fan itself's bearings seem to be fairly shot, so let's proceed to get in here to replace it. Just using a relatively standard Phillips head screwdriver. So far the screws at the front down here are shorter than the ones at the back. Whoop. This machine is missing one screw, and we've got the one on the hinges here. With that removed also, I'm going to take out these three screws here. And what I'm using here is a T8 screwdriver. You can see that on there, T8. So you will require a slightly different screwdriver to get into this one. This screw here is not wanting, there we go, to leave. And I'm just going to try and pry and pull up the back here. No, not going to work. So we will need a pry tool of some variety, be it a business card or a small flat metal pry tool like what I've got here. Go. It should lift up. Bit of luck. There we go. Start the groove. And we're in. We have the fan here. Let's zoom in. There we go. Let's compare the fans prior to swapping them. Pretty spot on. The connection has 4 pins. This one has 4 pins. We should be able to wiggle this one out. If not, get a nail in there and push as well. There we go. Next up, I need a smaller screwdriver. So I'm using my small 000 Phillips head screwdriver. 1 screw. 2 screw, and then out of the way. For the sake of showing model numbers, there's the old fan. This one here is the model number of the new fan, or lack thereof model number. Anyway, should be a matter of lining it up, lowering it in, putting those screws back into their original positions with your 000 screwdriver. Go. Same with over here. Then fold this around. This will only go one way. There's a lug on each side. It's not quite symmetrical. If I have a look here, it needs to go up the top. So I rotate this, slide it in, push in. There we go. We'll use this just to tape it down, or at least that's what it looks like it's been used for in the past. And that is the fan replaced. From here it's a matter of putting the back cover back on, clicking it down, and put it all together from there. Start over here at the Ethernet port, push down, work your way around, should click and pop into position. Once it's into position, should be a matter of putting those 3 screws, the T8 screws, back into their original positions. 1, 2, over here, 3, and put the long screws back in. If you are missing screws and have very few of them, I do recommend prioritizing the ones at the back at the hinges, as they're the ones that seem to wiggle the most. and will eventually cause your machine to completely fail at some stage. Put one over here, and then the 3 small ones across the front. So I hope that's helped you replace the fan in your Acer Aspire A52 or A514-52. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.